Hi friends, welcome to my channel J Padmaja Raj. Now let us see how to make pizza base. Here I am preparing pizza base with whole wheat which is healthy. You can see that it comes out as soft and spongy as the one prepared with maida or refined flour. Add 1.5 teaspoons of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in lukewarm water and stir it well. For 500 grams of wheat flour, I am using 500 ml of water. Now keep this mixture aside till the volume doubles. Take 500 grams of wheat flour and add yeast mix, 1 teaspoon salt and oil and mix it well into a dough. Keep the dough covered with moist cloth for 1 hour. Take the dough and tuck it into a round ball as shown in the video. To avoid dough sticking to your hands, dust the dough with wheat flour or oil and scraper. Partition the dough into 4 equal parts for 4 pizzas. For one big size pizza, we need about 125 grams of wheat flour. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Now grease the pizza tawa with ghee. Now dust the pizza tawa with wheat flour. Now take the dough and start spreading on the tawa. To avoid sticky fingers, sprinkle some wheat flour on the top of the dough. Friends, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel at J Padmaja Raj for my upcoming videos. Take a fork and prick the dough to allow the steam to escape. Now the pizza base is ready to be baked. Put the pizza in the oven and heat it at 200 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. Now our pizza base is ready. Allow the pizza base to cool down on a elevated surface like a cooling rack. You can store this pizza base in a Ziploc bag or a plastic cover which is airtight. If you store it in the freezer, you can use it up to 15 days from the cooking time. That's all for the pizza base. Thanks for watching.